is the camp we were talking about earlier ago. And, yeah. Oh, there's the leader. Come on, let's go. Come on. Okay. And he, oh. Hello, you two. And who's this? It's a lost kitten we found. And she seems to be useful. I could make a clone mean. Wait for a howl. Howl? You know, where the... Oh! There he goes. And everyone gathers. Oh, okay. So let's go. Actually, let's be the flips. Oh look, there's a clan mean. Hello everyone. So we need more warriors as wolves. And we decided to bring a kitten to join us. A kitten? Oh. I was not expecting this. They should have let that cat took its place. And I want to introduce yourselves. What's your name? Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. My name is Bane. Hello, Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. Hello, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. I need to fight her to prove herself she's good at showing this pack. Oh, her name is Forrest. She's quite a fighter, so you have to be careful. No, fight of us. Everyone spread out. Now, Violet. So you decided to join, didn't you? Yeah. What's wrong with it? There is something wrong with it. You're just a kitten. We're wolves. We're so much stronger. And you don't belong here. Looks like the little kitten is a scaredy cat. Oh no! Fight! My ear. I guess you would this once. But it will never end. Ow! Pew, pew, pew. Enough! Fine, honey fan. The kitten has won the battle. She can now join our pack. Charlotte, Charlotte, Charlotte. Charlotte, 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 Charlotte. That's strange to say. No. Go and explore the camp. Camp dismissed. May it be her mother for now? Of course. She did put a quite fight there. Yeah. Come on, let's go to the message then.